Yo, y'all know who this is. It's Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service, man. Hey, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because we got a lot of things to talk about today. First and foremost, if y'all do not know, I teamed up with another big heavy hitter that's been killing the game. He been killing the box truck game, and he also teach people how to dispatch. Now, you all have been blowing up my DMs, even my mentees. Y'all ask me all the time, do I have a dispatching class or a course? And I never had one. So what I did, I already know how to dispatch, but I wanted to reach out to somebody that I know that train people on how to dispatch step by step. So I felt it was only right, because y'all know I like to do this for y'all. This is what I do. I love, bringing on new people that's crushing the industry. And that way I'm able to, they share their knowledge with you all get that knowledge, and now you're able to scale up your businesses. So I'm bringing on Jesse Anderson. Me and him are going to be hosting a masterclass on April the 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I made sure to make these tickets a very, very fair amount. I didn't want to I ain't with that taxing and all of that. I want a fair amount to where, it costs money to make money, but at the same time, the knowledge you all going to get, this knowledge is truly, truly going to change you all lives. The tickets are only $59. I feel like that was a fair amount from, Jesse, his expertise, and then my expertise. And not only are we going to teach you how to dispatch cargo vans and box trucks, but we're also going to teach you how to get in the industry and crush the industry. Jesse going to show so much love. I even think when he even mentored his dispatcher, I think he even hooked them up with a carrier to where they start making money immediately. He just like me. Same thing, like-minded people. I do the same thing. When people come on to my mentorship program, I get them a contract so they can start making money immediately. I feel like it's only right, if you're going to get in this business and you're going to be helping people get in this business, you have to give up all of your resources. Also, with that being said, when you learn how to dispatch, when you get into this dispatching field, let's say you with a dispatch company and they're dispatching your loads. That dispatcher needs to be your best friend. And I do know, trust me, dispatchers can get on your nerves once you done picked up that load. They constantly calling you, asking you for your ETA or what's your location now. And it's like, dang, ain't y'all tracking me? Don't y'all got my location? But one thing I can tell y'all, a lot of times the dispatch keep hitting you up is because the broker is the one that's tracking you. He's the one that has the micro point. The dispatch company does not have that. So they can't actually see you. The broker can see every move you're making. So a lot of times that's why dispatchers constantly hit you all up and ask you where you at. They asking you that because they really don't know where you at. The broker know where you at. So that's why these dispatchers be constantly blowing y'all up and asking y'all questions. And I know that can get overwhelming. But hey, it's part of the game if you want to be in the game, if you want to make this money. So this is going to be like a 3 or 4 hour class. You're going to be able to ask questions at the end of this class. Also, I always tell people, man, like I said, the dispatcher got to be your best friend, man. I have different ways I teach people how to get in this game. I always tell people to have multiple dispatchers because I just feel like that's the right way to go when you first getting into the game, is to have multiple dispatchers. Now, I do work with a company that I'm partnered with, and they will actually do all the hard work for you. They'll dispatch all your loads for you. You don't even have to bid. And I just think that's a blessing, because I just never really seen companies that do that. So when I do come across a company like that, definitely for beginners, this is perfect for a beginner. So that's why I have a contract, a partner, and that's why I'm able to, when I bring people on my mentorship, I'm able to get you a contract to go over the road immediately, because, that's why I tell y'all, you got to network in this business, man. Networking and building your brand will make you an extraordinary amount of money. I make so much money off of my affiliates now to where sometimes it's mind blowing. And I'm just like, wow, when you truly build a name for yourself and build a brand, it can take you very far in life. And so that's why I tell y'all, when y'all come up with these names for y'all business, do something that relates to you. Keep it simple, or it can be catchy. It's up to you, however you want to do this. And also stand on business, man. When you always remember this, y'all, when you get with these companies, it's not, employee, it's a partnership. It's a business to business partnership. So I want you all to always look at this like this, that it's a business to business partnership. Always look at it like that, but let them remember this too. You are a new business owner. You haven't been in the game, not even 6 months, a year, 5 years, 10 years. These people don't know you. So a lot of times I notice, and I don't know if social media is doing this to some of us, but some of us are coming to the game almost like bougie. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, it's nothing coming in like knowing your worth, which is good. But also you got to remember, these companies got drivers that's crushing it. And right now they don't know what you're going to do. So always tell people, like, starting off, you might make between $2,000 to $3,000 a week. Show the company that you stand on business. Show the company that you about your business. As you showing these companies that you're about your business, I've had so many of my mentees come to me and they said, Tony, you was right. I just needed to have a little patience. And shout out to my guy, Jamie Pooch, man, from New York, man. I hope I'm saying, thank you for New York or New Jersey. But shout out to Jamie Pooch, right? Prime example, one of my mentees, solid guy, just A1. He wanted to do regional or just local. And he was trying to get with certain companies. And I always tell people, when you're doing local or regional, it's a little longer process. The best thing a broker or a dispatch company want to hear, because they'll even ask you, I send them a zip code for one of my drivers, and the first thing they say, he want to go anywhere or she want to go anywhere, I be like, hold on, let me check. When they hear you want to go anywhere, they gonna flood you with many loads as you want, because they know they can depend on you. They know you're not picky. They know you're going to make it happen. They know you're here to make money, and they're going to make their little money. Most dispatchers charge about 10%. Some may charge 15%. It just depends on the company and, you know, what they can bring to the table for you. I'll say it like that. So Jamie Pooch went about, it was about 2-3 weeks. He was like, man, I haven't got on with no companies yet. I'm still waiting. I say, bro, just be patient. I said that local game, that regional game is a little process. And trust me, y'all, I get it. I know van payments about to come up. I know y'all got insurance y'all got to pay. But that's why I always tell y'all to have a budget when you get into this industry. Don't get into this industry with your last few dollars and then you barely got money for gas. That's hustling backwards. We don't move like that. That's not smart. We got to be smart. We got to move correctly. You know, when you're moving in life, move correctly. So I had a master class probably about a month ago, a couple of weeks ago. Didn't even know Jamie Pooch had paid, bought a ticket, and was coming in the master class. So we do the Q&A at the end. I see his name coming up. I'm not really paying no attention. I ain't really like, you know, okay, there go my boy. You know, we just finna like, you know, because he's been on every master class I ever had. His name come up, he get on the master class. Jamie Pooch say, Tony. He say, first off, all y'all in this class, I want to tell y'all to listen to Tony. He say, Tony knows what he's talking about. He knows what he's doing. He say, Tony, boy, I was waiting for weeks to get with these companies. He said, after about a month, maybe a month and a half, he said, out of nowhere, all the companies started hitting him up and giving him contracts. He said, Tony, I've been crushing it all week long, and I came on this masterclass just to thank you and tell you, man, when you say you got to have patience, you got to have patience, and it was well worth it. He said, I got 5 contracts, and they've been keeping me busy nonstop. And like I said, my guy up there in New York, man, and I told him, I said, bro, I appreciate you coming on here, man. That, for me, that was so rewarding, you know, that he came on a masterclass just to share his story, man, and let people know, man, just have a little patience. The man was patient. He got 5 contracts now, and he's making great, great money. And I just want to give like a huge shout out to Jamie Pooch, man. Like, for real, you've been like a brother, bro. You've been a real, like, not even just a mentee, man. You've been a friend, and that's big in this business, man. You know, and I love, you know, doing great business, and I love building long business relationships. But when you can end up, you know, becoming a friend with somebody, that's even more special because that's rare these days. It's very hard finding good, genuine people. So I just want to give a huge shout out to you, Jamie Pooch, man. You always been solid. You've been to all my master classes, and I want to give you flowers, brother. But yeah, man, go look at the bottom of this video. I will leave the link for the masterclass on April 27th. This is a dispatching masterclass for cargo vans and box trucks. April 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Me and the big homie Jesse Anderson, also known as Mr. Seven Figure Ghost. So we doing this thing from Texas to Florida, y'all. Hooked up with the big homie from Texas. Y'all know me, I'm from South Florida. You heard, Palm Beach County. So I just felt like that was just real dope. Two young black entrepreneurs, you know, got together, man. And it's just all love, man. It's all love, and we all can grow together. We all can make money together, man. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please share this video for anybody, you know, looking to get in the industry, partners, husband, wives, whoever, man. While your significant other is over the road making the money for the household, you can be home dispatching, or you can be on your phone anywhere in the country dispatching loads for other drivers and making that 10%. You know what I'm saying? If you got 10 vans and you getting 10% off of each one of them, that's a beautiful thing. Or 10 or 5 or 10 box trucks and getting that 10% off of each one. That's beautiful, man. That's another source of passive income. So like I said, man, y'all know me, man, Tony from Stick With Us. Y'all know I always got y'all back, and I'm going to go hard, and I'm going to always over deliver when it come to you all. I do not play about my tribe. And y'all know what it is, man. So I'll be looking for, I ain't gonna lie, the tickets have been selling so fast. Like, we already sold half of the tickets already. Like, God is amazing. Like, for real, for real. Like, you all are truly action takers, and y'all, you know, putting in the work. And like my guy Terry always say, one source of income is too close to none. Think about that. One source of income is too close to none, and that is scary. So we need multiple streams of income, and learning how to dispatch, that's a whole nother stream of income, a very profitable one at that. So y'all know what to do, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be dropping more videos real soon. I always tell y'all, stick with us. We got you. You heard? Y'all know the vibes. Peace.